guys, it's Nice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a spring inspired makeup look, and I'm also going to be trying a really white under eye concealer. So like that's like a thing going on TikTok now, and I actually really love the look. I know some people like really hate it, but I love it, especially on like black people. I just love the look of it, and I did do like a lighter one, but I think I'm gonna mix like my lightest concealer with a little bit of like the white from my CC Beauty palette to make it like really white and see what it's hitting for, see if I like it on me and all that good stuff. But also, like I said, just doing a very bright pastel colorful spring type look. So if you guys are interested in that or want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. This is my lightest concealer that I have, so this is the concealer that I'm gonna be using for my under eyes. But like I said in the intro, I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of white to make it really bright. Like you see already how bright it is, but we're gonna make it brighter with some white later. I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. I'm really excited because I also think that today I might take some pictures. I mean, my makeup might be a little weird for the pictures, so I might have to like take off the eyeshadow and do something else. But I really want to take some birthday pictures because last year I did the little projector type thing, and I kind of have a good idea for this year, but I'm nervous that it's not gonna like turn out right because I'm not a professional on taking pictures. I don't really have like I'm not that good at it, so I'm just nervous that it's not gonna like come out looking how I want it to look, but we'll see. So like I said, I'm excited about that. My birthday is April 18th, so you guys should subscribe to me on April 18th, and also now as a little birthday present. If you're not already, you can subscribe, turn on my post notifications, follow me on my social medias, all that good stuff. That would be the best birthday gift ever. I'm turning 23. I also kind of have some issues with my birthday. Like every year on my birthday I kind of like go into like this thing, because I already know like mental health and stuff like that is like something that I struggle with. So birthdays are just something else on top of it. But so if you guys want to celebrate with me, let's celebrate together by subscribing. Okay, now I really don't know what kind of look I want to do. I think I just want like a very bright, like blended out colorful look. Like I don't know why I always do this. Like I go in being like, we'll see what it is once we get there, and then I'm like a hot mess because I don't know what to do. I definitely want to use like some light purples and pinks and blues and like yellows and stuff like that. So I think I know what I want to do. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 color palette. I'm gonna take Modern Way, which is a purple. I'm gonna take that on an M506 brush, and I'm gonna put it in like a V shape on the outer part of the eye. This is kind of just like a base for the shadow. And now I'm gonna take the M330 brush, and I'm gonna take 22 from the Beauty Bay palette, and I'm gonna blend that purple out with the pink. Also, the vibe I'm kind of going for is kind of like Easter egg vibes. Very, I don't know how pastel it's gonna be, so let me not say pastel, but very bright and colorful. I know I keep saying bright, but I feel like fall gives bright vibes. I'm gonna take some white lies and put it over all those colors and blend it out with that. This is kind of the trick that I have to make colors look more pastel, as I just take like some white shadow and lightly blend it over everything. And now I'm gonna take Paradise from that palette on this BH Cosmetics like flat fluffy type brush. I'm gonna put that next to the purple on the lid, and also like put it into the crease. We're doing real colorful today, guys. Like I'm really feeling colorful vibes today. and you want to make sure to blend that out into the purple and into the crease. Alcohol is like my favorite brush cleaner of like all time. I love how like quickly it gets the shadows out, and I feel like alcohol is very like clean, and it dries down quick, so you're not like waiting for it to dry, and like I feel like the wetness and the moisture doesn't seep down into the like glue. It doesn't loosen up the glue on the brush. So yes, alcohol. Ice purple, by the way. Anyways, now I'm gonna take the M441 and I'm gonna take Paradise again. I'm gonna really blend that into the crease. I really want to like blend those two colors together. I don't want it to just look like I placed it. I really want it to look blended together. That is so cute. I'm gonna take a little bit more purple just on that same brush and blend that out. This is cute. Period. Do I want to do yellow in the inner corner or like pink? I'm wearing yellow. I feel like it would be weird if I didn't add any yellow. So I'm gonna take Hello Sunshine from the Beauty Bay palette. Sometimes I take like the back of the brush and I like kick up a little bit of product, just especially with yellow, just so it's very pigmented. Like, look at that. Yes. Now I'm gonna take this, what is this called? BH Cosmetics small blending brush. I'm gonna take the yellow and just make sure it's blended out. I think this is really freaking cute. So now I'm gonna take a liner brush and I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in Blackest Black, and I think I'm just gonna do, you'll see what kind of liner I'm gonna do. I never know what this liner is called. It's like the one when you do it and then you like blend it out on the end a little bit. I don't know what it's called, but I really like this liner. I really don't know why. I think it's really freaking cute. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Morphe E36 brush and I'm gonna take Drama Queen and Sugar Plum from the Beauty Bay palette. I'm gonna blend out the liner. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye. Hardest part is remembering what you did on the first eye. So hold on. So I did my other eye and I did my foundation, so now we're gonna do the concealer part of it. I wanted to do that with you guys so we can experience it together. So first things first, I'm gonna take my CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna take some of that white. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer in 20, like I said. I'm gonna put some of that on my hand as well, and then I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the white into the concealer. So now I'm gonna take the concealer brush, dip it into this, and put it now for the rest of like my face, which is basically just like my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna put some more on my chin and my forehead. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. As you can see the difference between the two. I'm just gonna blend out my chin and my Cupid's bow and my forehead first. I'm actually really freaking nervous about this. Let's just blend it out now. I don't want it to sit for too long. But I need to blend it out some more because it's looking kind of crazy right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do some cream bronzing, and I'm just gonna use this ABH cream contour stick. We're gonna set it with the, oh my gosh, with the airspun powder. And I'm gonna set the rest of the face with some banana powder. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare. The rest of my base, which is like powder bronzer and setting spray and all that good stuff. And then I'll come back for the under eye of the eyeshadow. And I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm hoping that there'll be a switch somewhere and it starts looking good. Okay, honestly, I think it looks pretty good. You guys want to know something? It's a little bit dry, I think, because of the way that I did it with like the CC Beauty like palette and stuff. I like it. I think it looks better on camera than it does in person. I'm just being honest. I think with the white under eye, I think it's more of like a picture selfie video type thing. In person, it looks crazy. Not crazy, like it looks good, but like I feel like this is just like a internet baddie type of trend. If you got in public, people are gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I like the way that it looks right now. So I think that's all that matters. So now let's do my under eye. And it's my first time doing it, so keep that in mind as well. There's some things that I could change, that I can make better, but it's my first time, so yeah. So now I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place small blending brush. It doesn't have a number, and I'm gonna take Modern Way, which is the purple, and I'm gonna put it on my under eye. I'm gonna wipe that brush off. I'm gonna take some Paradise. I'm basically taking the same colors from the top and just blending them on the bottom. Okay, so now I don't know what I'm gonna do for lips, so I'm gonna go off camera and figure that out. Put on a lash. This looks really dry, so I think I'm gonna try to fix that with like some setting spray and stuff like that, and then I'll come back for like the finished look and all that good stuff. I'm liking it so far. Like I said, there's just some things that I need to change about it and fix, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I actually just wanted to be a little bit extra, so I added like a little pink crystal here, a blue crystal here, and then like clear ones on the inner corner, and I think that looks really cute. Oh, I also added some faux freckles. I hope you guys can see them because I actually really like the way that they turned out. So here's the thing. I took some skin color powder, this one, and kind of brushed it over the under eye because it looked really crazy. Like, hear me out. It was something about the CC Beauty palette mixed with the concealer that made it like separate and like dry and just like not look too good. So I just needed to do something to distract from how stark red it was and the separation. So I was like, I'm gonna just dust a little bit under it, but I still think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is the finished look. Oh, and the eye look I love how bright and springy it is. I just love it so much. I hope you guys liked it as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on this here YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. So yeah, like I said, my birthday is coming up on April 18th. If y'all want to give me a little gift, you could subscribe to this channel, turn on my post notifications, all that good stuff. Watch another video after this video, and yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly sincerely hope that I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.